Hello, this is Steve from Whiskey&Red Design. Today I have a quick video to show you how to update your WordPress theme, WordPress itself, and all of your plugins. So what we're going to do is go to our dashboard, and on the left hand side here, the submenu under dashboard is updates. You can also see this little two arrows circling each other with the number here. It takes you to the same place. So if we go to our updates, you'll see here I have a severely outdated test site, which is perfect for this example. A few different sections here. So we have our WordPress section here to update. We have our plugin section here. And then down at the bottom is our themes. So these are pretty one-click updates. If you do have WP Engine, I always recommend following this prompt, going into your WP Engine dashboard, and making sure that you back everything up. But since we already did this, we'll click No Thank You, and we'll go ahead and do our update. Now WordPress generally, I don't know, 10 seconds to 2 minutes sometimes on an update. Depending on how out of date it is. And it should prompt us to our welcome to the new WordPress version. So we'll go back to our updates in our dashboard and we'll update our plugins. So we just select all. Now in this area here, our compatibility area, sometimes the authors will write things in there. Caution, don't update until you update WordPress this version, things like that. So that's pretty much all you need to pay attention to here. And then go ahead and click update. And again, it'll prompt you. And I always piecemeal these things and check them on the front end, make sure things are working properly as I do the updates. Few words of wisdom here with WordPress updates. The way this works is, let's see here, we have a couple plugins that I don't have registered. So that's what those red errors are. So that's what you'll see if something doesn't update. These are not registered to this test site, so that's why. And then we'll go ahead and update our themes in a similar fashion here. So a few words of wisdom here with updates. WordPress will update. Your theme will update to compensate for the changes with WordPress. And then plugins will also update to compensate for those changes with WordPress. So when WordPress comes out with a large update. So right now we have 4.8. 4.8 was actually a smaller, I guess for my purposes, update of WordPress. It had less ripple effect throughout the themes and the plugins. Generally speaking though, when this number changes here, or the big number changes, and you get a big version update, you generally just want to give it some time, wait for your theme to make the same updates, wait for plugins to make updates. You don't want to just come in here and click all these buttons all the time as fast as you can, because sometimes it runs into some incompatibility issues. So every time you make your updates, again, make sure you back up your files with your hosting and make sure that you verify your updates by going to the front end of the site and going through and clicking things and looking at all the different pages and making sure everything still looks the same, etc. Awesome. If you found this video valuable, please feel free to add a comment below and check out our other WordPress tutorials in the Whiskey and Red channel. Have a nice day.